Waiting for Chef Vishal Bhatia to join in. Hi,
Hey, hi.
how are
Hello.
you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you doing?
Fine, fine, all good.
So, how's your lockdown going on?
Good, good. Just creating new dishes daily and
Oh, that's a good.
experimenting it with ingredients.
Oh, that's really good. That's really good. That is what is required.
I think that's the story of every people right now. They are learning new dishes and experimenting a lot.
Right. बाहर जाके खाने नहीं मिलता है तो एटलीस्ट घर पे ही वैसा खाना बना के खा ले.
Exactly, exactly, exactly.
Yes. No, no, that's the spirit. That is what everyone is looking up at these days, and that
Yeah,
is how it's
correct.
supposed to be. And actually, that will help out everyone in knowing what is the dish or क्या है, कैसे है, and how to do it.
Yeah, they can learn new dishes in this quarantine and make
Yeah.
wonders with new ingredients.
Right. 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 So I hope everyone is aware what are we making today. Dal pakwan, yes, dal pakwan. So dal
So, can
pakwan is
you just introduce what is dal pakwan?
yeah, I'll introduce you to dal pakwan. Now dal pakwan is a Sindhi specialty dish. It's basically a Sindhi breakfast dish.
Correct.
And I have loads and loads of Sindhi friends. And अगर जो आप ब्रेकफास्ट में जाओ उनके घर पे एंड संडे मॉर्निंग है आई एम डेट श्योर आपको दाल पकवान खाने जरूर मिलेगा. That is one of
Correct.
the like a staple diet kind of a thing, and that's my favorite dish also. And
Mine
pakwan.
too.
So I'll start with pakwan. So basically, normally हमने जब सब जगह पे पकवान खाए या आज भी हम जो बनाने वाले हैं, those would be those flat thin pakwans. But for a change and surprise, what I have eaten it in Kutch. Kutch में जहाँ पर आदिपुर and Gandhidham and all है, they have a very different kind of pakwan,
Okay.
which is very much like your satarfeni or something with layer wala, like your lachha paratha kind of a thing, but crispy एकदम पराठे को एकदम ही crispy type का ये form किया हुआ with like your khari biscuit basically.
Correct.
Yeah. So okay, for that you actually require lots and lots of time. ये छोटे से सेशन में वो वाला पकवान तो दिखा नहीं पाएंगे हम.
Correct.
But yeah, the regular पकवान जो हम सब जगह पे खाते हैं, that we will be surely showing it to you. Apart from that, yes, दाल पकवान में जो दाल जो यूज होती है, that is चना दाल.
Yeah, correct.
एंड या सो इनफैक्ट मैंने कल अपने कुछ फ्रेंड्स से और कुछ लोगों से मैंने रिकमेंडेशन में मैंने कहा आप क्या सजेस्ट करना चाहोगे, इसमें क्या करना चाहिए हमें. तो किसी ने कहा कि चना दाल के साथ थोड़ा सा तूर दाल मिक्स कीजिए, मे बी
Okay.
थोड़ा सा मूंग का दाल मिक्स कीजिए, दैट गिव अ गुड फ्लेवर एंड ऑल. Okay, that is good, but we would be sticking to the basic and the original thing, just plain chana dal wala, and
Okay,
that is how
perfect.
would be doing. Apart from that, yeah, there are quite a lot of flavorful things in it. That is what we have to look
So
into
we
it.
can do one thing. We can do the basic one, and our followers can variate it and share us the
Yes,
recipe.
yes, 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 yes. I would request all the followers कि अगर जो आप इसमें जो भी changes करते हैं बनाते हैं, do share it with us. I would like to know how is it. I would like to learn something new so that next time when I come across someone, I can say okay मुझे इसने ये सिखाया था and this was something good. And there are
Correct.
very small tips in it जो हम हमारे साथ लोगों ने शेयर किए हुए हैं, and that even I would like to share it with you all also. So on जैसे हम लोग आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे we would be doing that. Okay, so okay, दाल पकवान में जो चने की दाल यूज कर रहे हैं, we need to soak that दाल at least for 4 to 5 hours. प्री सोक करके रखना है ना, प्री सोक करके रखना है 4 to 5 आवर, तो मैंने ऑलरेडी प्री सोक करके रखा हुआ था. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट वो दाल को कुक करना है ऑलमोस्ट फॉर लाइक 15 to 20 मिनट्स. एक प्रेशर कुकर में डाल के आपको एटलीस्ट 2 whistles के लिए रखना है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट जब तक वो नेचुरली कूल डाउन नहीं होता है तब तक आपको खोलना नहीं है. सो दैट वुड ऑल्सो टेक लिटिल बिट लॉन्गर टाइम. तो यहाँ पर हमने दाल को सिर्फ ये प्रेशर कुक करके रखा है.
Good,
That was a
good. Looks
pre-soaked
amazing.
dal. It was pre-soaked for like around 4 to 5 hours, and then we
Correct.
pressure cooked it. While pressure cooking it, we have added little bit of salt to it. हाफ स्पून जितना घी डाला है क्योंकि वो फ्लेवर एनहांस कर देता है अंदर से. Everyone loves ghee, I'm sure.
We can use
And
butter also
there's a
instead.
little
Ghee
bit of
doesn't work.
hing added to that. A little bit of hing added to that.
We
because
can
the pressure
also
cooker,
add butter instead of ghee, or ghee is compulsory.
you can add butter instead of ghee, or you can also add oil or dalda also. That is fine.
Okay, cool,
Vanaspati,
cool,
that is
cool.
fine. The reason we added ghee is like जो घी की जो richness है, that is amazing.
Correct.
Butter
Correct.
already salted ज़्यादा आते हैं, so adjusting salt and all, but still you can add that. But
Okay.
yeah, जो घी का जो flavor आएगा वो आपको
Ghee
butter से नहीं
का.
आएगा.
Yeah, correct.
So yeah, that is what we have done it in this, and we have cooked this. And what all we are going to do. So ये दाल को एक बार कुक होने के बाद में, प्रेशर कुक होने के बाद में, इसको ऑलमोस्ट 30-40 मिनट्स के लिए ऐसे ही छोड़ देंगे, तो उसका अंदर से नेचुरली वो विस्लिंग के बाद में जो होता है कुकिंग प्रोसेस वो हो जाएगा. And then you open it.
We have
Okay.
to put in the
You
cooker
don't.
itself.
Yeah, I prefer to cook it in the cooker, pressure cooker. Okay. Apart from this, we are going to do a tadka on this with jeera. If you can see that, we have jeera
Yeah.
over here.
Correct.
Okay. We have a little bit of green chilies. Okay.
Yeah.
We have this garam masala.
Okay.
Yeah, can you see that?
Yeah, I can see that.
Yes, with the yeah. And salt, of course, goes without saying. As
Yeah.
Sanjeev sir will say, Sanjeev Kapoor sir कहते हैं स्वाद अनुसार. So
Yeah.
salt to never to forget that. Okay. Apart from that, we are going to serve this with a chutney. Now this chutney traditionally मैंने सब जगह पे मैंने ये चटनी नहीं खाई है, but yeah, one of our neighbors, he used to make dal makhani and no, say dal pakwan, and so whenever he used to bring it to our house, he used to come up with this chutney, which was our favorite chutney. I'll show it to you. दिखने में तो आपकी नॉर्मल रेगुलर चटनी लगती है, बट इट इज नॉट रेगुलर चटनी. I'll tell you the recipe for this, जो मैंने पहले बना के रख दिया है. So this chutney is प्याज की चटनी.
We also add that meathi chutney on it.
Meaty chutney is optional. See, I would not prefer to have dal pakwan with a meeta chutney. But yeah, so this chutney, which I'm talking about, pyaj ki chutney, I would talk about that first. Pyaj ki chutney is where you add raw onions,
Okay.
coriander, you add green chili, and okay, normally you add imli ka pani to this. But okay, because of lockdown, मुझे इमली नहीं मिल रही थी, so I have used nimbu instead of that. So a little bit of I've squeezed a little bit of fresh lime to it. So that is something, and salt as per the taste. So that is one thing. And this chutney we have just given a little bit of pudina also. क्योंकि वो minty flavor जब आता है, it is really good. So yeah. So we have made this chutney, which you can say as a garnish or just as a flavor enhancer to it. Okay. Now comes in the pakwan part. Pakwan is where we are going to add in maida. Okay, maida, ghee, and we are adding some.
Chef, it's not visible. What are you showing?
Okay, so now is it visible? We are adding some maida.
Okay.
Okay, we'll be adding some ghee. Okay, desi ghee. We'll be adding some kalonji to it. Kalonji is basically onion seeds. So there are variation. I had spoken to, as I said, my friends yesterday, and किसी ने कहा था कि हम लोग हमारे घर पे काली मिर्च डालते हैं इसमें. उसका फ्लेवर अलग आता है. That is good with pakwan. Yeah. आपने अगर जो गुजरातियों के घर पे नाश्ता किया रहेगा, तो you get that मसाला पूरी जिसके अंदर काली मिर्च and all डाली हुई रहती है नमकीन में. Yeah. So that kind of flavor which comes. Someone suggested कि हम लोग के घर पे जीरा डाल के ही बनता है ये. So that was an option which we were working out for, but जीरा तो हम लोग already दाल में डाल रहे हैं. So here we won't be adding jeera to this. We'll be adding instead kalonji to it. Kalonji are the onion seed, if everyone knows about it. Yeah. Okay. And so we'll be starting by preparing the dough for this first. And हम लोग पहले बनाएंगे पकवान और फिर दाल को तड़का देंगे. And I'll show you how it goes. तो सबसे पहली चीज जो हम लोग करना चाहेंगे, we'll be heating up the oil till the time हमारा डो तैयार हो जाता है. Okay, so I have heated the oil and I have kept this on a medium flame, if you could see that.
Can I just suggest you if somebody can hold cam for you?
Yeah, I'll do that. I'll do that.
That would be appropriate. Yeah.
Now that this is done, so इसको एकदम medium से भी low flame पे कर दिया है. That is one thing. And we'll be preparing this dough. अच्छा, ये डो भी आप जैसे तैयार करोगे, दिस इज माय रिकमेंडेशन कि डो को सीधा यूज मत कर लेना आप बनाने के लिए. गिव इट अ 30 मिनट का रेस्टिंग टाइम. Okay, so 30 minutes का resting time is something which is required for this. So I would always recommend you to give a small resting time to a dough. So उसका जो gluten content है अंदर, it is always, the stretchability of the gluten and all is very good in that. Okay. So I'll ask someone to hold the phone so that I can use my both the hands with this.
Yeah, correct.
So we have added this maida.
Okay.
We'll be adding around 1 spoon of ghee to it.
Okay.
Okay. And we'll be adding this entire lot of kalonji, which is just a half teaspoon jitna kalonji. This is what we'll be adding to this. We'll be adding a little bit of salt to it. We'll be first mixing everything well before adding the water.
And we have to use warm water or normal water while mixing?
You don't have to make it very hard kind of a thing, but not very soft also. Because these puris that we want are supposed to be crispy. These are not basically puris, these are pakwans. तो वो करकरापन जो आना चाहिए ना, वो आना चाहिए इसमें. So that is why हम लोग ने पानी ऐड करने के पहले इसमें ठीक से घी मिक्स कर दिया है. अदरवाइज पानी अगर जो पहले डाल देंगे तो वो सब जो उसका घी जो है वो सब जगह पे नहीं मिल पाएगा इसमें. You're getting the point. Okay.
Correct.
And while adding the water also we have to take care of it. We have to add it very little करके gradually.
We don't have to make it much hard, right?
Depends. Abhi see out here currently I am doing it for a small quantity, so that is fine. Otherwise, the recipe where I will share with you in some time, where you can have a look at the quantity what you need to do. I have already done some portion of the flour maida dough ball ready, so that उसका जो half an hour का resting time जो मिलना चाहिए उसे, वो हम दे सके उसको.
Correct.
जस्ट सी टू इट कि आप जब भी ये बनाए, इसमें आप अगर जो घी डालना चाहते हैं घी डालिए, ऑयल डालिए, जो भी डाल रहे हैं वो अच्छे से डाल के रखिए.
Okay.
बिकॉज वही आप
Mix हो, yeah.
हाँ, तो वही जो है वही आपका जो भटूरे बनेगा जब भी, तो उसको बाहर से क्रिस्पी और अंदर से हल्का सा सॉफ्टनेस काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग, वो रिचनेस जो देगा, टेक्सचर का रिचनेस वो देगा.
Correct. We require a
Apart
lot
from
of
this,
patience.
if anyone is looking forward to ask any questions, please go ahead. I am here to answer all the questions.
Yeah.
So do let me know what questions do you all have.
Sure. I'll just read it out for you if there are any.
And Megha, even if you have any questions, please go ahead. Do let me know.
Sure.
I mean, once again, we'll show you all the ingredients. Have a look at that. Yeah, so now you can see this dough. The this is what we are looking up for. Yeah, and this is what we have to do. अभी फिलहाल के लिए मैं आपको बता देता हूँ, रोल इट वेल, इसको कवर करके आप 30 मिनट्स के लिए साइड में रख दीजिए, एंड देन यू विल बी गुड टू यूज इट.
Okay,
ओके.
I want to ask, just with a normal cloth or we have to wet the cloth?
नहीं, इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी आप क्लॉथ से भी रखिए. यू
Okay,
कैन इवन जस्ट पुट अ नॉर्मल प्लेट और एनीथिंग.
okay,
नॉर्मल
okay,
क्लॉथ रखिए, प्लेट रखिए, इट इज जस्ट कि आप उसको कवर करके रखिए.
okay, cool.
या. So you have seen the dough, what kind
Yeah,
of dough it is. It is nice, it is not very soft, it is not very hard.
yeah, it looks good.
So we'll start with the rolling part of this. In the
Great.
mean, I'll just have a look at the oil also.
Yeah.
Yeah, our oil is good enough hot. So we'll be reducing the temperature a little bit, and I'll be showing how do we roll this out. Now it is also all about the presentation and all. आपको कैसा चाहिए, क्या चाहिए ये,
Yeah.
and what you want. So there are a couple of different things what you can do. अभी फिलहाल we'll be doing the traditional way, जहाँ पर हम लोग एक पकवान बनाएंगे, normal round पकवान बनाएंगे, वो सर्व करेंगे उसके ऊपर दाल डाल के and all. But apart from that, if you want to be really creative in this, you can make it like nachos का shape दे दीजिए. राउंड करके आप इसको नाचोस की तरह कट
Yeah.
करके एंड इसको प्रिक करके फिर आप फ्राई कीजिए. So that is one thing. Apart from that, आप इसको आप इसके लंबे लंबे स्ट्रिप्स करके या ऐसा कुछ करके चिप्स एंड डिप करके भी खाने के लिए. So you can use that technique also in this.
Cool.
अच्छा, one more important thing, we are not supposed to use any flour while rolling this.
Okay.
It is supposed to be rolled just as it is. Now I'll just increase a little bit the temperature of the oil. तो एक बार oil एकदम ही गरम, when you put it in the fryer, the oil should be really hot at the high flame, and
Correct.
तुरंत ही उसका टेम्परेचर गिरा देना है आपको ऑयल का, so that you don't burn it.
Correct.
Yeah. Now this is something important. Yeah, we need to prick this flattened dough
Correct.
and prick it well, otherwise वो फूल जाएगा, and we don't want that फूला हुआ पूरी.
Yeah.
So roughly जहाँ जहाँ पर भी है, just prick it.
Cool.
Okay, we'll be just putting that for frying.
If we don't have to fry, then is there any other alternative like baking or something?
See, if you don't want to fry, अभी for this episode I am, yeah, ये लाइव सेशन के लिए मैं फ्राई कर रहा हूँ, बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस मैं, मेरे घर वाले कह रहे हैं कि हमें फ्राई नहीं खाना है,
Yeah,
तो
correct.
उनके लिए आई एम गोइंग टू डू अ डिफरेंट थिंग इन विच हम लोग तवे पे इसको एज अ खाखरा काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग विल मेक इट, so to have that same crispy thing and all, but we don't want to have fried, तो उसमें ऑयल भी नहीं लगता है ज्यादा. जस्ट
Yeah.
विद लिटिल ऑयल आप पहले इसको रोटी की तरह बेलिए, ये कीजिए, एंड देन while cooking it आप उसको खाकरे की तरह you press it and you cook it, so you
Yeah.
get that crispiness in that.
Correct. Because I think nowadays people are more diet conscious.
Very much, very much. But जो traditional है वो तो है ही,
Yeah,
and we
correct.
cannot deny that. You can see it one side, the same thing we'll be doing it, we'll be turning it up. You know, when this is fried, आपको जो वो उसका cooking का smell आता है, the kalonji part, that is very different. So you can even add ajwain to it. You can add jeera, ajwain, you can add kali mirch. और ये सब चीज का जो फ्लेवर बाहर निकलता है while frying, that is what is really tempting.
Yeah, actually.
And let me tell you, the frying procedure will take a little bit of a time because
अंदर से भी पकना चाहिए.
yeah, अंदर से भी पकना चाहिए. So it is like samosa. जिसको आप
Correct.
पकाना है तो you will have to cook it for at least 15-20 minutes. समोसा को लग जाता है पकाने के लिए अच्छे से. You just don't want it to be cooked from up.
Yeah.
You see the changing color of this?
Yeah.
ये white से धीरे धीरे golden brown हो जा रहा है.
Actually, our pan is not visible.
Is it now?
A little bit.
Yeah. You can also use आटा instead of मैदा in this. आपको अगर थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही health conscious हो, you don't want to use मैदा, you can mix आटा and मैदा और मैदा and सूजी.
Correct.
If you use सूजी with this, आपको बहुत ही अच्छा crispiness आएगा इसमें.
Wow.
You can see this little bit
Yeah.
golden brownish color.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this will be like, this is how it is supposed to be. ये
Okay.
golden brownish रहेगा. And we'll keep it for draining out here. Okay. Now that we are going to do is we'll be starting with the dal, and I'll be showing you how to go with that as well. Could you help me out with this? So दाल में सबसे पहले हम लोग तड़का तैयार कर लेंगे इसका. And my recommendation would be to use ghee. You can also use oil or butter if you want, but my recommendation is using ghee. And आपकी मर्जी आपको कितना घी डालना है. That is what is something. So yeah, we are taking ghee, jeera, milchi, garam masala, and amchur powder for this. Yeah, yeah. So out here we are just heating the pan first, and we are letting some ghee in this hot pan.
Okay.
Hope you're able to see the pan.
Yeah. It's visible.
थोड़ा आगे तो मुझे तो लगता है. Yeah. Now ये ghee has completely melted. So the first thing that we are adding to this is jeera. जीरे को हल्का सा क्रैकल होने दीजिए. अच्छा, you can add करी पत्ता also, which is an optional thing, which is not very much important. मैं नहीं use करता हूँ इसमें, but that's a very much optional thing. Second thing you're going to add is some garam masala. You can add chili powder to it, but we are using fresh chili, so I'm not using chili powder to it. At this time, you can switch off the flame. Now, what you are going to add in is the dal.
Okay.
So once this is the cooking,
Flame is off, right?
yeah, I have switched off the flame. Otherwise, masala jal jayega. So we don't want to do that. Now the thing we are going to do is we are going to just add the dal to it. So we're going to mix all this into the masala. You can see the mixing masala part and dal. Yeah. Now I'm going to add in that.
Melt पूरा वो dissolve नहीं होगा दाल.
Yeah, दाल को पूरा dissolve नहीं करना है. दाल आपकी दाना दाना दिखना चाहिए.
Okay.
You know, it is supposed to be a little bit dry kind of a dal.
Correct.
Now what we are going to add in is the amchur. And we have already added salt while boiling the dal, but still little bit of flavor के लिए we'll be adding this salt also. If you want your dal to be little bit watery, then you can add little bit of water to this. My recommendation is no, क्योंकि आपकी दाल ऐसे ही अच्छी है काफी. Because दाल पकवान में आपकी दाल जितनी गाढ़ी है उतना ही अच्छा है. Now I'll just switch on the gas and cook it a little bit. If you want, you can just press it a little bit. So हल्का सा प्रेस किया हुआ रहेगा, हल्का सा दाल आपका आखा आएगा मुंह में. Yeah, this is quite well done and ready. So yeah, our dal is ready, our pakwan is ready. Now comes in the assembling part of this. I'll just show it to you. Yeah. So here we have taken a plate, and how are we going to assemble this today? From this. Yeah. You can see my plate?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So we have our pakwan, so the golden brown pakwan. We have it here. Now we have our dal with us. Okay, so we have added the dal to it. Now there are a couple of more things. The traditional dal pakwan बिना धनिए के पूरा नहीं होता है, नहीं बिना प्याज के पूरा होता है.
ये धनिया का एक ग्रीन कलर जो चीज पे आता है वो enhance
Yeah,
करता है डिश को.
it will enhance the flavor as well as आपका look डिश का. And don't forget to add chutney to this. So I'll just add this. Either you can dip it in the chutney and have it, or you just add a little bit of chutney on top. That should be good enough. And if you wanted a little bit more spicy kind of a thing, you can add it some more green chilies to this. That's a very much optional thing.
Yeah,
So you can have a look. Our dal pakwan is ready.
that looks amazing.
And yeah, so this is what we were looking up for.
Yeah,
I
correct.
hope everyone is. Are you able to see this now?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I am.
Yeah,
It looks yummy.
looks yeah, yeah. So yeah, this is what we were looking up for, and we have finally prepared our dal pakwan. Any suggestions? If I have done any mistakes in my dish, I'm
No,
sure
that's
someone would be there around. Do let me know. But this is what the dal pakwan recipe, what my mom has been using for ages, since childhood, what I have been using. And also, as I said, ये जो chutney है, my neighbor, he used to make it, and this chutney was really awesome. Let me
correct.
tell you, this chutney was really awesome. I hope I have been even been able to meet 50% of what that uncle used to make.
Correct.
Because हर किसी के हाथ में एक अलग ही रहता है फ्लेवर. ये उनके हाथ का फ्लेवर था, which is something really good.
Oh,
Yes.
it's amazing. And it's very quick to prepare. Like,
It is very quick to prepare. Only thing is कि आपका जो इसका प्री prep है वो थोड़ा टाइम कंज्यूमिंग है. जैसे 4 घंटे पहले आपको 4-5 घंटे पहले दाल सोक करके रखना है. दैट इज वन थिंग. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आपको मैदा जो है वो करके उसको बाद में आधे घंटे के लिए रेस्ट करने छोड़ देना है. दैट इज वन थिंग. So these
yeah.
are few things जो आपको प्री prep करना है. That is the only time consuming thing.
But वो कहते हैं
अब
ना,
एक और चीज,
सब्र का फल मीठा होता है.
राइट, अगर जो आपको और भी कुछ अगर जो अच्छे से जल्दी में करना है, यू कैन डू वन थिंग. आप पकवान बना के रख दीजिए. आप पकवान 2 दिन के लिए भी बना, 4 दिन के लिए भी बनवा के रखवा दीजिए. यू कैन जस्ट कीप इट इन सम एयरटाइट कंटेनर जिसमें वो क्रिस्पी रह पाए. एंड यू हैव अ लुक, ये पकवान एकदम ही क्रिस्पी है एंड ऑल. कैन यू सी दिस?
Yeah.
ये नाइस भूरा भूरा सा पकवान है ये, अंदर से एकदम ही. सो दैट इज हाउ इट इज सपोज टू बी. So yeah, you do that. Apart from that, my recommendation, हाँ, अगर जो आपके पकवान पहले से ही तैयार है तो एंड मोमेंट पे आपको सिर्फ करना है, तो बस आप सिर्फ दाल बनाइए, चटनी बनाइए, एंड जस्ट यू आर रेडी टू गो. वन थिंग विद द चटनी व्हाट आई वुड लाइक टू मेंशन है, ये प्याज की चटनी है, तो ये ज़्यादा उसकी लंबी शेल्फ लाइफ नहीं होती है. क्योंकि प्याज की चटनी आप इसको 2-4 घंटे के लिए रखिए तब तक ठीक है. उसके बाद में उसमें एक पिकुलर स्मेल आना शुरू हो जाती है, विच वी डोंट वांट इट व्हेन वी ईटिंग. है जो हमें हमेशा ध्यान रखना है प्याज की चटनी के साथ. या एंड डू लेट मी नो if you all have any question. So
You should
yeah,
make
we
comments
have
too.
Hemdev Jaya over here saying wow yummy. Yes, it is. It looks yummy to me. Thank you very much. Devin Dua showing some hearts to us. Sure, thank you very much, Devin, for showing your love to us. Who else is there? Yeah, Bharat Asar says it looks mouth watering. Thank you very much. Kapadia Mridula says looks delicious. Thank you, Kapadia ji. Yeah, super yummy. Yes, yummy. Oh, good. Thank you. People are appreciating it. And I hope you are going to make this recipe and do share with us your experience of making this recipe at any point of time. If you are stuck anywhere or if you want to know something, you can just put a direct message to me on my Instagram and I'll surely reply to you. If not possible at the same time, then after some time, but I'll surely reply back to you all. So let me know and do share your photos, images of the dishes. Apart from this, for the recipe, you can contact Artistic Cravings. You can contact me. Chef Vishal Bhatia is my handle, and you
Also,
can
this
just let me
video
know.
will be saved on my Instagram handle, so you can view it anytime. And full recipe will be shared on my Instagram.
So
So,
recipe would be shared by Artistic Cravings very soon, and let me know if you all require anything in that apart from this recipe. Even not for this recipe, but any other recipe also. If you all are stuck anywhere, do DM to me, and we'll surely look into it and I'll reply it to you.
great. Thank you so much, Chef. It was an amazing experience learning from you.
Thank you very much, Megha. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the session, and I
It
hope
was.
everyone else also enjoyed the session.
So I'll be making it very soon and sharing it with you and everyone. It was
They'll,
amazing.
they'll be great. They'll be great. So I believe अभी खाना बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडा हो रहा है. So we should be tasting that soon.
Yeah,
Yeah,
correct.
yeah. So let me know, okay? And anything else, as I said even before, do let me know. We'll surely guide you guys.
Cool, cool.
Thank you very
Thank you.
much.
Thank
Thank
you
you
so
very much
much.
for having us on this live session.
Pleasure,
Looking forward to see you guys again.